Chapter 10, Our Government. You will learn governing structure of India, governing bodies of India, how is the government formed. Mother, how is the government formed? Son, government is formed by the people of India after elections. What are elections? Election is the process in which all the people of India vote to choose their representative to form the government. Teachers note, discuss with the students who is the President and Prime Minister of India right now. Ask them how a government is formed and how a President or Prime Minister is selected. India is a democratic republic country. India is made up of many different states and union territories. In total, there are 28 states and 9 union territories in India. India has a federal structure of governance. The government at the center is called the central government. The government at the state level is called the state government. The union government makes laws for the whole country and deals with issues related to national importance. The state government make laws for their respective state. The local government works at the local level in villages, cities and towns. At each level, the government is divided into 3 branches, the legislature and the executive and the judiciary. Branches of government: legislature, executive, judiciary. The central government works from Delhi, the capital of India. It is run by a parliamentary system which is based on the principle of universal adult franchises. The law-making body or the place where the laws are made is known as the Parliament of India. It is a bicameral houses that consist of President of India and 2 houses, Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. Lok Sabha. Lok Sabha is also known as the House of People or the lower house. It is the supreme law-making body in India. The members of the Lok Sabha are elected by the people of India. They are the direct representative of the people in the Lok Sabha. They are elected for a tenure of 5 years through the universal adult franchises unless elections are called early by the president. The proceeding of the Lok Sabha are surprised by the speaker who is elected by the member of Lok Sabha from among themselves. There is right to vote to all the citizens of India of 18 years and above, irrespective of their caste, creed, color, religion or economic status. They can vote and elect their representative. Any citizen above the age of 25 can contest election for the Lok Sabha. Equal population, the Lok Sabha can have a maximum 552 members, 5 members represent the state and 20 represent the union territories. The President of India has the right to appoint 2 members of Anglo-India community if the same is found to be getting inadequate representation in the House. Did you know the Parliament of India was designed by Sir Edwin Lutyens and Sir Herbert Baker and was inaugurated by Lord Irwin on 18 January 1927. Rajya Sabha. Rajya Sabha is the council of the state. It is also known as the upper house. The members of Rajya Sabha are not directly elected by the people. They are elected by the members of the state legislative assemblies. The total number of members is 250, out of which 12 members are nominated by the President of India. Their term of services is also 5 years. That Rajya Sabha is a permanent body and is never dissolved. New members. The chairman of Rajya Sabha is the Vice President of India. The President of India is the head of all the governing bodies. She is the first person of the country and the most important as well. She the Commander-in-Chief of all the armed forces. The President of India is elected through an electoral college comprising of the member of Lok Sabha, Rajya Sabha and the state legislative assemblies. The tenure of the President is also 5 years. The President symbolizes the national unity and the integrity. The President of India takes the advice of the Prime Minister. Forming the government is the democratic country that runs through a multi-party system. There are many parties at the state of national level and with contest in the election. The tenure of government is of 5 years. At the end, the tenure of government is of 5 years. At the end of this term, the elections are held all over the country to elect new representative of the government. During the election, the people choose the leader of their own choice. Once the elections are done, the person with the highest votes wins the election. The party with the highest number of seats is invited is form the government. If a single party is not able to get the required number of seats to form the government, it can form alliance with other parties. This kind of government is called a coalition government. The party that forms the government also appoints its leader known as the Prime Minister. The Prime Minister forms the Council of Ministers known as the Cabinet. The effective power of the government is vested in the Prime Minister of India. State government. The state of India are governed by the elected. The legislative assemblies make the law for their particular state. The election for these legislative assemblies are carried over similarly to the Lok Sabha election. The elected members are known as members of Legislative Assembly (MLA). These MLAs forms the government in a state for a tenure of 5 years. The leader of the winning party is appointed as the chief minister of the state by the state government. The governor is the head of the state and is appointed by President of India. Judiciary. The judiciary system of India works to protect the basic structure of constitution. It ensures equal justice for all the citizens of India. It also takes care that the central and the state government work as per the rule and regulation written in the constitution. The Supreme Court of India is the highest court of justice in India. It is located in New Delhi. The Chief Judge is called the Chief Justice of India. At the state level, these are particularly high courts. There are also smaller level courts such as Session Court and District Courts at level. These courts are divided into two types, civil courts and criminal courts. Recall. The India Parliament consists of two houses, Rajya Sabha and Lok Sabha. The leader of the party with majority of seats is appointed as the Prime Minister. The President is elected by the member of both the House of Parliament and the state legislative assemblies. Supreme Court is the highest court of justice in India. In the state, there are high courts, district courts and session courts. Chapter 10.